cryotherapy on your and the chambers on your website. So,
Yes, yes.
what do you use that for? And B,
Yeah.
how safe is it?
So, it's very safe. Most people that are using liquid nitrogen chambers, there are some electric ones. They don't get as cold. They don't seem to have the same. One of the effects that seems to help is this, release of endorphins, which
Okay.
happens when you get like
Oh,
hit really hard with this cold. Your body does not like that, right? We've just completely changed your environment by you
Yeah.
taking a step into a chamber. So the liquid nitrogen takes you down, and actually, it's not the liquid nitrogen touching you directly. That would be a bad time. But it's the oxygen, the air that's being chilled, right? So there's a little
Yeah.
safety chamber where the liquid nitrogen mixes with the air that's then pumped into that chamber, and that air is chilled to, I'll give you Celsius and Fahrenheit, anywhere between -120 Celsius, which is -184 Fahrenheit, to -160 Celsius, which is about 250 -256 Fahrenheit. Now, the idea
oh,
is this intense cold is dry, right? You can't
Yeah.
have water. You don't want to be wet. You can't even have sweat when you're in that chamber. But you get this really rapid constriction from the skin down, right? It wrings you out like a sponge. Now, when you get out, I mentioned that endorphin release,
Yeah.
that comes from your body thinking it's freezing to death. So when you get out, your body goes, I got to warm back up. So it vasodilates, it opens up everything, pumps
Everything.
fresh blood down to those extremities. So the big use is physical pain. Now it's kind of still trendy now, but this was invented in 1978 in Japan
oh,
Wow.
for rheumatoid arthritis. The physician
Really?
that was doing it was going, well, anything with an itis is inflammation.
mhm.
It's normally hot joints, tightness. Well, what's going to do that? Well, let's cause a bunch of constriction. Let's wring that out. So he started playing with this, and it was for like little old ladies. And now we have all these, sports stars and athletes using it for workout recovery, and it works amazing. But